Gilad, what a beautiful place, Gilad. It became Kiryas Palin, became the city of the workers of iniquity. People who use their strength, have used their power. Palin, abusing their power. Then one explanation of Palin means ish oven mashavosa, means the sins in the mind. Palin means to translate your evil thoughts into action. The Kiryas, the capital of Palin is Gilad. Akuva midom. Horrible word. Akuva, one weighs in it through blood, or it is covered with the footprints of blood. Akev is the heel. Akuvidom is either your heels are wading through blood, or there are footprints of blood. When you walk and come from a puddle of blood, wherever you walk, you say footprint. Akuvidom is covered with footprints of blood. So this is Gilad. This is Gilad. And what a beautiful place. That's the balm of Gilad. Atzori ein v'Gilad. Now this was Chatzi Shevet Menashe. Was on the other side of the Yarden. That's where Gilad was. What a beautiful place. And Gan Eden. And now Shom Bok to be there. Bok to be, they become ain't faithful to me.